Welcome back, students. This is part 2 of WTO, World Trade Organization. The question is what are the important agreements of WTO? So here we are going to discuss WTO agreements. So let us start. WTO agreements. TRIPS, TRIPS. The WTO agreement on trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, introduced intellectual property rules into the multilateral trading system for the first time. Ideas and knowledge are increasingly important part of the trade. Most of the value of new medicines and other high technology products lies in the amount of invention, innovation, research, design and testing involved. Films, music recording, books, computer software and online services are bought and sold because of information and creativity they contain. The intellectual property rights takes a number of forms such as copyrights, patents, trademarks, industrial design, layout design, etc. Developed countries are mostly the owners of intellectual property. WTO establishes minimum levels of protection that each government has to give to the intellectual property of fellow WTO members. Second, TRIMS, the Trade-Related Investment Measures. Trade-Related Investment Measure Agreement applies only to measures that affect trade in goods. Investment measures are crucial for their impact on trade flows. Under TRIM, industrialized countries had been demanding outright prohibition of measures which have a direct and significant impact on the trade. The developing countries contested this demand on the plea that regulations of foreign investments are not trade related but are based on the development considerations. The agreement of TRIMS prohibits investment measures inconsistent with national treatment or prohibition of quantitative restrictions. GATS, the General Agreement on Trade in Services. It is the first and only set of multilateral rules governing international trade in services. The GATS has two major across-the-board requirements. The first is non-discrimination on the basis of most favored nations, and second is transparency. GATS has three main objectives. Number one, to create multilateral framework of principles and rules for trade in services. 2. To expand trade in services under conditions of transparency and progressive liberalization. 3. To promote economic growth on all trading partners and development of developing countries. Agreement on manufactured goods. The developed countries agreed to reduce tariffs on manufactured goods other than textiles by 40%. The tariffs would now be brought down to an average of 3.8%. Agreement on Agriculture, AOA. The objective of this agreement is to increase market orientation in agriculture in the member nation. The members are required to transform their non-tariff barriers into equivalent tariff measures. The AOA covers tariff reduction, increase in market access, reduction in export subsidies and reduction in domestic subsidies of agriculture. Next, Agreement on Textile and Clothing Multi-Fiber Arrangement MFA. The multi-fiber arrangement is in force since 1973. In the Uruguay round, it was agreed that the import quotas on textiles and clothing in force under MFA would be phased out over a span of 10 years. Next, Agreement on Subsidies and Countervailing Measures SCM. Subsidies given to domestic producers by national governments reduced cost of production. This enables producers to sell products at low prices in the international markets. As a result, these producers have an advantage over other producers who are not given as much subsidies by their national governments. The SCM agreement applies to non-agricultural goods. It classifies subsidies given by the government to these goods as follows. Red, subsidies that have high trade distorting effects are prohibited by WTO. Green, subsidies that are not specific to an enterprise or industry are not actionable under WTO. Amber, these are actionable by trading partners by their interests are adversely affected. Next, what are the criticisms on WTO? The WTO dictates policy measures. WTO is free trade at any cost. WTO is for free trade at any cost. Commercial interest takes priority over development. Commercial interest takes priority over environment. Commercial interest takes priority over health and safety. WTO destroys jobs and worsens poverty. Small countries are powerless in WTO. WTO is the tool of powerful lobbies. Weaker countries are forced to join WTO, and WTO is undemocratic. These are the criticisms on WTO. But students, when the question will be asked, you have to give all the things, but understand that these all points are equally important. Okay, so WTO agreements we discussed already. There are 7 agreements that they are given, and all the 7 you have to give. The question I told you that what are the important agreements of WTO. So these are the points you have to give. Thank you very much, students. Here we completed module 3. Only 3 lessons. So all the 3 lessons are equally important, and there are two questions, very important questions on each module that I have already discussed with you. Thank you very much.